Welcome. My name is Bob Brogan. I'm the president of Brogan Law Group, and I'm providing some informational materials for our clients and our prospective clients to give you an understanding of some of the things that we do. This first presentation, it relates to Medicaid planning and asset protection. Medicaid planning is the concept by which you will provide steps and a mechanism in order to access government benefits for certain health care that may not otherwise have been covered because you have assets that exceed the limited thresholds that the federal government lets you keep. In New Jersey, there are even more restrictive rules than in some other states. So generally speaking, it's not a bad idea to sit with a certified elder law attorney and get a provision for you and a plan for you that can help you implement the various steps that are necessary in order to qualify for Medicaid benefits. An example of this might be an asset protection strategy whereby years before you have any health issues, you may be transferring certain assets, whether it's part of your home or part of your investments, into a trust. And this way, after a period of time, traditionally 60 months right now under federal law, those assets would be beyond the reach of a nursing home or beyond the reach of the government in the event that you yourself needed medical care. There's an additional aspect of asset protection planning that has to do with sheltering assets from creditors. In particular, if you happen to own a business or be a professional who is in an area of practice that is subject to litigation, malpractice litigation in particular, you may be concerned about the steps that are necessary in order to shelter your assets and insulate them further beyond what your liability coverage might otherwise provide. While New Jersey does not have some of those protections in place as a matter of our laws, there are trusts that are available in order to have assets protected by trust companies outside of the state of New Jersey in those states that do provide for such protection. There's a variety of different techniques involved, both in asset protection and in Medicaid planning. Some of them involve purchasing an annuity that is designed to take income and shelter it for the spouse who has to stay home, for example. You may have resources far in excess of what the government tells you you're allowed to keep, and that you are supposed to be spending that at the nursing home for your spouse. But if you had the right protections in place and you had the right annuity in place, you could be in a situation where you take all those years of private pay and instead have assets coming back to you in an income stream, so that you as the spouse who are home, who have significant bills to be paid, are not then left impoverished. So if you have any questions with regard to Medicaid planning or asset protection planning, I encourage you to give us a call at 732-701-9999 and schedule an appointment with one of our attorneys today. Thank you.